Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. Let's begin! And unfortunately, there isn't an easy way to fix that. If you feel like your fast charging isn't working, there isn't an easy toggle to make sure that it's working. If we go to the battery, we can see that there isn't really nothing here. There is wireless reverse charging, but it's not even really close to the fast charging thing. We have our battery health with nothing really here. The smart charge and custom charging limit only limiting the maximum capacity of your battery, not the speed at which the capacity is getting full. And if we go back, we have the more battery settings and literally only one setting here. So as you can see, there aren't as much things we can do. The only thing I would advise you is to simply check the battery health. If it drops very low, there is a very high chance that something is just wrong with your device and that your battery because of that your battery will just start charging up slower and slower and slower until it dies completely. But of course, it doesn't really have to be that way. If you still have your phone warranty and you feel like your maximum capacity is dropping way faster than it should be, then it's probably the truth. So that happens like fabric bugs or just miscalculations, defects of the battery in the factory line happen constantly. We can't really fix that. And if you happen to have the phone with faulty battery, it's completely normal if it falls down very fast. But generally speaking, if you don't really have any kind of problem and you just don't see the fast charging, then you don't really have to worry. Nowadays, they don't really split the two. You have fast charging enabled by default, and there is actually no way for you to disable this in the first place. So, just don't worry and everything will be okay. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.